Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Bright Learners. Today, we're going to learn 50 simple English phrases for your next outdoor trip, including the amusement park, zoo, and playground. Let's get started.
How much is the ticket?
How much is the ticket?
It's $20.
It's $20.
We got the tickets online.
We got the tickets online.
Thanks. Let me scan them.
Thanks. Let me scan them.
Do you like roller coasters?
Do you like roller coasters?
Yes, I feel so excited.
Yes, I feel so excited.
Are we at the top?
Are we at the top?
Yes! Don't look down!
Yes. Don't look down.
Is the Ferris wheel scary?
Is the Ferris wheel scary?
No, it's very slow.
No, it's very slow.
Look! We're so high up!
Look, we're so high up.
The view's beautiful.
The view's beautiful.
Can we ride the carousel?
Can we ride the carousel?
Yes, I like the white horse.
Yes, I like the white horse.
Is this ride scary?
Is this ride scary?
No, it's for kids.
No, it's for kids.
The bumper cars are fun!
The bumper cars are fun.
Let's drive together!
Let's drive together.
Is this the line for the pirate ship?
Is this the line for the pirate ship?
Yes, it's crazy long.
Yes, it's crazy long.
Want to try the haunted house?
Want to try the haunted house?
Yes, I'm scared but excited.
Yes, I'm scared but excited.
Was that a ghost? It's so creepy.
Was that a ghost? It's so creepy.
I think so. Look out! Bats! Ah!
Ah!
I think so. Look out! Bats.
Are you tired?
Are you tired?
No, I'm strong.
No, I'm strong.
Are you dizzy?
Are you dizzy?
A little bit. Let's sit down.
A little bit. Let's sit down.
I want some popcorn.
I want some popcorn.
Me too. It smells good.
Me too. It smells good.
Do you like cotton candy?
Do you like cotton candy?
Yes, it's very sweet.
Yes, it's very sweet.
Can you hit the target?
Can you hit the target?
Yes, watch me.
Yes, watch me.
This game's hard.
This game's hard.
Try one more time.
Try one more time.
Look, the peacock's opening its tail.
Look, the peacock's opening its tail.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Look at the tiger.
Look at the tiger.
It's so big.
It's so big.
What's the monkey doing?
What's the monkey doing?
It's eating a banana.
It's eating a banana.
I see a tall giraffe.
I see a tall giraffe.
It's got a long neck.
It's got a long neck.
Is that a panda?
Is that a panda?
Yes, it's sleeping.
Yes, it's sleeping.
The lions are noisy.
The lions are noisy.
They're roaring now.
They're roaring now.
Can you see the snake?
Can you see the snake?
Yes, it's hiding in the grass.
Yes, it's hiding in the grass.
Look, the elephant's spraying water.
Look, the elephant's spraying water.
That's so cool.
That's so cool.
The zebras have stripes.
The zebras have stripes.
They look like horses, but in black and white.
They look like horses, but in black and white.
Take a photo of the penguins.
Take a photo of the penguins.
Okay, stand next to the glass.
Okay, stand next to the glass.
Can we take a selfie here?
Can we take a selfie here?
Sure. Smile for the camera.
Sure. Smile for the camera.
I like the pink flamingos.
I like the pink flamingos.
Let me record a video.
Let me record a video.
Look at this toy koala.
Look at this toy koala.
It looks so real.
It looks so real.
Where's the birdhouse?
Where's the birdhouse?
It's near the lake.
It's near the lake.
I want to see the bears.
I want to see the bears.
Let's look at the map.
Let's look at the map.
Is the zoo closing soon?
Is the zoo closing soon?
It closes at 5 o'clock.
It closes at 5 o'clock.
Go ahead, try the slide.
Go ahead, try the slide.
Okay, Daddy, watch me.
Okay, Daddy, watch me.
Slow down. Don't run.
Slow down, don't run.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom.
Hold on to the rope.
Hold on to the rope.
I got it.
I got it.
Be careful, it's high.
Be careful. It's high.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Do you want to push?
Do you want to push?
Yes, please. Higher, Daddy.
Yes, please. Higher, Daddy.
Watch out for the little boy.
Watch out for the little boy.
I see him. I'll stop.
I see him. I'll stop.
It's not your turn yet.
It's not your turn yet.
Okay, I'll wait in line.
Okay. I'll wait in line.
Share your toys with the girl.
Share your toys with the girl.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom.
5 more minutes, then we go.
5 more minutes, then we go.
Can we stay longer?
Can we stay longer?
How old's your son?
How old's your son?
He's 4 years old.
He's 4 years old.
Is that your daughter?
Is that your daughter?
Yes, she loves the swing.
Yes, she loves the swing.
They play well together.
They play well together.
Yes, they're good friends now.
Yes, they're good friends now.
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
Yes, we live nearby.
Yes, we live nearby.
Mommy, I fell down.
Mommy, I fell down.
Let me see. You're okay.
Let me see. You're okay.
I have sand in my shoes.
I have sand in my shoes.
Take them off and clean them.
Take them off and clean them.
Drink some water, Kevin.
Drink some water, Kevin.
Thank you. I'm very thirsty.
Thank you. I'm very thirsty.
Time to go home. Say goodbye.
Time to go home. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, playground.
Goodbye, playground.
That's all for today. Practice these 50 sentences on your next trip. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to Bright Learners. See you next time. Bye!